Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to cilinixfxcapital, or welcome to the channel if you're new. And welcome to this new video here on XLM or Stellar. Wanted to keep you updated on that. I know quite a lot of you are interested in that. Personally, I'm also interested in it, and it's on my watch list to trade. But no, wanted to do a full update here on the technicals. Also wanted to talk about the fundamentals a little bit, because I do think you need to know about it. And I think like in terms of the fundamentals, not regarding to the market in general, right? Because that obviously also matters, but a little bit less, or at least that's incorporated into my analysis. XLM has lost quite a lot of its strength against XRP, and that's not something I necessarily like. You can actually see on the right here on Bitrue. It's a bit of a weird chart, but you can see it right there. Right, so this is basically the worth of XLM in XRP, and since the 5th of December that has been absolutely decreasing, and that's not necessarily what you want to see. You want this ideally to be stable, because XLM and XRP are usually very correlated, but it seems like XLM is losing some strength compared to XRP, which I think is logical, but that's not bullish fundamentally. And then technically, you can also quite clearly see right here that we have started some sort of a downtrend. Now, is that the end of the world? No, and XLM compared to other altcoins actually still looks fine. All right, so that there's not much to worry about, but I do think, I mean, to turn bullish again for XLM, and you can also very clearly see that on the daily time frame and on the 12-hour time frame, we need to get some sort of a break back above this level around 43, 42 cents. And that very much doesn't seem like it's obviously a possibility, but it doesn't seem most likely. Now, what I think is more important right now for XLM is to actually find a strong support, because the markets right now are very different, right? So Bitcoin holding up fine, but if you take a look at the altcoin market, that has slightly turned more bearish. We actually closed with the daily time frame. We also closed with below the 382 fib here, for example. So if you look at this, you'd actually say I expect some more bearish momentum for altcoins, and I think that's a possibility for XLM as well. Right now, the main support level that we have found was around 30 cents. We have not hit 30 cents yet. But for me, the question is not, can we actually get a bullish breakout and turn bullish here? I mean, I'll be ready, right? I mean, if we do get the breakout, I'll be the first to tell you. So don't worry too much about that right now. I think it's like something you need to be worried about more is, can this support level hold? Right here between 30 and, well, let's say 27.5 cents. I mean, if you go to the daily time frame and to the 12-hour time frame, like 27 cents is also still very strong. It's below the 30 cents level, psychological support level, which is the strongest, I think. But still, so that's the main question. Can we actually hold it, yes or no? And to cut to the chase, to give you my thoughts, I think the answer is yes. XLM is losing strength against XRP, but it is still correlated to XRP as well. XRP is holding on fine here, I think. XRP is one of the strongest altcoins. Outside of that, we haven't even hit 30 cents yet, and we have not hit 27.5 cents. We still have a major buffer down here full of amazing high time frame support levels. And XLM is also, I mean, the older coins are actually holding up fine. So both fundamentally and technically, I don't expect us to turn bullish. I think it's more likely we'll retest this bottom, but I do think we'll hold it. And I think we'll be able to consolidate, let's say, on top of 30 cents, even though we might spike down lower, and that eventually we will be able to break out from here and rally back up. Now, when that is, that's a good question, all right? I'll let you know when that is, if it actually happens, or when I think we have a chance to do that, if the volume is increasing, if the market is better, etc. For now, I think it's most likely we'll actually drop down a bit lower, potentially making a lower low here with a bullish divergence, consolidate, and then later on we'll break out. But that's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments, of course. For now, thank you for watching. Take care, and bye.